When I first got introduced to Granola, I'll be honest, I didn't get the hype. It felt like just another meeting recorder, and there's already hundreds of those. But after using it for a year, I'm surprised by just how much value I got out of it in ways that I didn't expect at all. I run a software review and comparison site, so testing tools is literally part of my job. So when something sticks, it usually means something. Quick heads up, this video is not sponsored, but if you do want to give it a shot, you can use the affiliate link down in the description, and that will give you your first 3 months for free. So first, let's talk about what Granola is. Granola is an AI note taker that transcribes your conversations, turns them into usable notes, and can even finish tasks. But more on this in a bit. The difference is it doesn't join your calls and it doesn't record your video or audio. The other main benefit is that you can use it on your phone to record in-person conversations. Now remember I said that. And that's why a lot of people love it, because it feels more private and allows you to stay present during conversations while knowing that everything is still being captured. As you use it, it can turn into your company's brain, where anyone on the team can chat with the notes. You can also connect it in with tools like ChatGPT and Claude and turn your notes into completed tasks. The first time Granola clicked for me was when a friend shared notes from a private call he had. Now, if he had shared the audio or video recording with me, it would have felt like a breach of privacy, but because he just sent me over notes, it didn't feel icky in any way. So that was actually what got us to try it. At first, we started using it just to record calls alongside the meeting bots that we already had. Even though we were using the meeting bots to record the video and the audio, what we noticed is that when we actually had to reference back the call notes, we were turning to Granola. And the reason for that is because it's incredibly searchable. Instead of trying to look through all your meetings to see where someone said something, you can just ask Granola in the chat and it will search across all of your meetings and find you the exact moment where something was said. Since it's a full chat, you can also use it as a thinking partner to think through what was said on the call or figure out what you need to do next. But what started happening next is where it got even more interesting. We realized that a lot of the conversations that we were having about the business were actually not on scheduled calls. They were happening at unexpected times, like when we were on a walk or over lunch or just sitting on the couch. And this is where Granola stopped feeling like just a note taker and started feeling like something much more valuable. Every time we started having an engaging conversation about the business, Alex, my husband and business partner, would say, "Is Granola on? Put Granola on."
Wait, just turn the Granola on.
And this is the most fascinating thing, because I realized that during those unscheduled conversations is where we were getting a lot of our work done. I noticed how often I was using these notes to turn them into something, whether it was an email or a document. And that's when it really clicked just how important this tool is. For example, one day we went for a walk and we had an upcoming team meeting that we were planning for, and we were talking through the things we wanted to bring up. On our walk, we turned on Granola, recorded our conversation, and then when I was back at my desk, I actually took the transcript and uploaded it to another AI tool, and it created a slide deck for me. If it wasn't for Granola, I would have not had the slide deck created. It was a huge time saver, and it made our team presentation a lot easier to follow without it being too much extra work. So what we realized is that Granola is not just a note taker, it's a repository for all of our thoughts, decisions, and conversations that happen both online and offline. Being able to hit one button to record reduces the friction that would otherwise get in the way. Now with that, there's some things you need to know before you start using it. It will only work if you actually hit that record button, and that only happens if you build up the habit, which is harder to do at first. It's incredibly easy to remember to record the sit-down meetings that you have because Granola pops up and reminds you, but remembering to hit record on those unprompted conversations is the habit that you really need to build up. Once I started seeing the value from it and seeing how much time it was saving me, then I automatically got into the habit of recording myself as well. And then there's another reason to use Granola, and it has to do with AGI. What I mean by that is every company in the future will have their own version of AGI. Just imagine you use Granola for 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and it records every conversation that anybody on your team has. You'll be able to see what decisions were made and how they correlate to the growth of the company. And Granola is the first tool that allows you to capture that. So think of Granola as the first step in gathering all of this context. While right now you can connect Granola's MCP with tools like Claude, we predict that in the near future, Granola will be able to just take action on its own. We'll have to see. Until then, watch this video next to see how this tool can take your Granola call notes and turn them into email follow-up.